What is food? Our body needs fuel to keep it working. The fuel you use is called food. Where does food come from? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animals provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Plant parts as food. Plants are one source of our food. Which parts of a plant we can eat? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers. Some plants have two or more edible, eatable parts. For example, seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Animal products as food. Animal products are used as food directly or indirectly. Milk, eggs, and meat are important examples of food from animals. Animal products too are a rich source of nutrients. The food chain is composed of exactly these animals, starting with organisms that use the energy of the sun to the apex, at which the organisms are predators and rely on producers. Milk. Cows, buffaloes, sheep, goat, and camels are a great source of milk. Milk is also called as an ideal food. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Eggs. Chickens, ducks, geese, and quails are raised for eggs and meat. The egg is a rich source of protein and vitamin. The yolk of the egg is mostly made up of egg. It also contains vitamins, phosphorus, calcium, and iron. Meat. Meat is of two types, red meat and white meat. The meat of cow, goat, sheep, and pigs has a lot of fat, and is called red meat. White meat contains less fat, and is obtained from chicken and fish. Meat is rich in proteins, vitamins, zinc, phosphorus, and iron. What do animals eat? Herbivores. Animals which eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Carnivores. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Food usually made up of one or more ingredients, which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water, which are also needed by our body. What do various nutrients do for our body? Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Fats also give us energy. In fact, fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Food containing proteins are often called body-building foods. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Vitamin A, Vitamin C, Vitamin D, Vitamin E, and K. Minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. Each one is essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Besides these nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers and water. Balanced diet. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs, in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Deficiency diseases. Person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Food chain. A food chain shows how nutrients and energy from food are carried from one living thing to another. In a human food chain, the final consumer is always the human. There are two different parts to the food chain: the producers who create food, such as plants, and the consumers, like animals and humans, who eat the food and use the energy that food gives them.